What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your Couture, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this beautiful bob. Guys, this hair is so pretty. I'm not even a short hair kind of girl, but this bob is everything. This is from Megalook hair. This is a 13x4 frontal unit, and it is just gorgeous. Also, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Couture, and yeah, let's get into this video. Okie dokie. So if you guys have seen any of my other hair videos, you guys have seen me do this process over and over and over again. So right here, I'm just drying my second layer of Got To Be spray on my stocking cap so that I can go ahead and get to laying this wig correctly. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just drying the stocking cap. Okay, so now that my stocking cap is nice and dry, it is time to cut that excess off. So I'm going to use my eyebrow razor. This is how I always do it, just because I like getting as close as possible to my hairline, just because I have a small forehead. So I don't like, you know, all the excess stocking caps. I'm not one of them girls who can have the stocking cap, you know, ½ inch above their hairline and then have the wig in front of that, because my wig will be at my eyebrows. So yeah, I use this eyebrow razor so I can get nice and close to my hairline. And now I'm just taking my foundation brush and putting that foundation all over my stocking cap. And now I'm cutting the extra cap off the back. Be very careful when you're doing that, okay? So now I'm just using my, what glue was this? Bold hold? I think this was my bold hold glue. Yeah, I'm using the bold hold. And then I'm using the end of my eyebrow razor just to smooth that out. I'm making 2 layers as always. So right here, I'm just doing that first layer. You want to make it as smooth as possible. And then once that gets to just about clear, then you're going to do your second layer. Shaka Khan. Okay, so now I'm just pulling my wig forward and using my comb to go ahead and melt that lace into the glue. I like doing this method as far as like combing it into place as well as blow drying it, because I just feel like that's the easiest way to like lay your lace. I don't know, I see people do like a bunch of different ways, but that's the way that works best for me. So that's the way that I always do it. I don't like to cut my lace on camera. I actually usually I like to cut my lace before I even put my wig on, but for time's sake in this video, I cut the lace with the wig already on my head. make sure you guys are cutting those ear tabs off, because you don't want your frontal to be hanging over top of your ear, clearly. Yeah, it's just not good. So make sure you guys are cutting those ear tabs. So now I'm just styling my wig. I'm going to go ahead and make some baby hair and just get into the whole process of styling. I wanted this to be a side part, so that's what I'm putting in right here. When I do a side part, or really anytime, I always like to do like the triangle shaped baby hairs. Like I cut out like a triangle and you know, make that my baby hairs. That's my baby hair go-to. So now I'm just wetting the hair just to mold it. If I was thinking straight, I would have probably wrapped my edges first before I did this. I didn't get them wet, but like if you guys are beginners, I definitely would not recommend to wet the wig while it's on your head without having your edges wrapped, because you don't want to, you know, risk getting the glue wet and then next thing you know your frontal is like peeling off. So I'm going to go ahead and wet this and comb it into place and just, you know, get to styling, and then I'm going to wrap my edges with my elastic band, and then I will be back. Okay, so here we are. The hair is pretty much kind of dry. Not all the way dry, but kind of dry. So now I'm just taking off my elastic band, and I'm going to go ahead and get off any excess glue that's up there, as well as take my foundation brush and just blend in those edges. Yeah, don't mind me. My man and my son just got home. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just getting any of that excess glue out and blending the edges with my foundation brush. Okay guys, so this is what the hair is looking like the next day. It is all nice and dry. I love this look. Like, it's so big. It's like, it's bossy. Like, it's like a big boss, like grown woman bob. Like, I love this. I'm definitely gonna rock this. Definitely gonna rock this. I just want to show you guys what it looked like when it's all dry. It's so full, y'all. Like, it's so full. It's so bouncy. Like, it's just good. Like, I really, really like it. So, yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. Until next time, stay positive and be blessed.